It's a beautiful fall day here in Chicago, but winter is coming and we need to do some weather stripping on this door. This is Homeownership 101, things you should know how to do around the house. The door sweep is a common space for cold air to get through. So you can see mine is pretty old and needs to be replaced. Now to figure out how the heck to get this off. The old door sweep is off. I measured for the new door sweep, cut it down to size with a hacksaw, and then screwed it into the door. Door sweep is on. It's opening and closing great. And just when you think we're done, one more thing to do. Let's replace the old weather stripping on the top and sides of the door. You can simply pull it off to remove it. Okay, come up close. You've got to see how easy this is. There's these grooves and they go behind that trim piece. And you just kind of push it in. Guys, this is pretty easy. And that's it. Now my door is ready for winter. More details in the caption.